everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you everything you need to know before playing the Qixi Fair board game in Heartopia. So the game is actually very simple. First, just tap on this club icon, this club icon, and then just tap on the Qixi Fair, and then just tap on start like this. And then all you need to do is just roll the dice and move this character around the board. And but before you start, there are a few important features that you should know about. First, we have the remote control item, this one. This will let you choose exactly what number that you want to roll from 1 to 6. And then right below it, there is the double orchids item that when you activate it before rolling, you will receive double orchids from every tile that you pass during that move. And then next, you can also get one of these items for free from exchange store, this one. And then just tap on this button, and then just like that, you will claim the daily random rewards. You may receive either a remote control or double orchids. And then now let's talk about the board tiles. When you pass the green tiles like this, you will receive 3 orchids. And if you land on the tiles with the questions mark like this, you will get the one free dice. And if you land uh on the purple tiles, this one, you will earn 9 orchids when you passing through. But if you stop directly on this tile, you will receive 18 orchids instead. And if you land on the tile with the dice and orchids icon, this one, you will receive either a remote control or double orchids items. And then when you land on this tile with the food icon, you will get a random extra movement of one to 6 steps. And then after that, every time you pass the starting points, you will also receive 6 orchids. And then in here, you can also get 5 free dice every day from the resident quest or daily quest like this one. So just keep complete all the daily quests on here to get these free dice. And then you can also get the free dice on this quest, this one, at the current quest like this. And you can also get the free dice from the milestone reward over here. And beside that, you can also get more orchids on this weekly quest over here. And then in here, this game basically just keep rolling your dice and then moving around the board and then just collecting orchids or other rewards. And then now let's try one quick example. I will roll the dice and move my character around the board. Just tap on this icon, this dice, this one. And then in here I got 4 step like this. And okay, that's it. That's how you can easily to play this GC Fair board. And after you get many orchids, you can use it to buy the event items on the exchange store like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.